For some reason she's in the downstairs loo. There's just no good time to record these things. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a really cool DIY for you. It's a really quick, simple, cheap DIY. I absolutely love the look of scaffold boards as kitchen shelves, but they can be quite pricey, especially if you're buying them off places like Etsy. So I've come up with a way of staining some really cheap pine to make them look like really expensive scaffold shelves. Here's how I did it. Okay, so this is what you start with. I have bought these 30cm pine shelves from B&Q. I think they were like £4, maybe £5. So I've got 2 of those, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stain them. It's literally just wood varnish in oak. So I'm just going to stain them and see if we can get them looking a bit better. We do 2 coats, and obviously at the minute it doesn't look great, but I promise when it dries it will have a much nicer oak finish. And this is what it looks like when it's all dry. These bits are where I didn't stand it up properly, so I had it drying on a bit of paper, and the stain has dripped and, as you can see, made some dark marks. But that's okay because I'm going to have it this way up so you won't see it, but that's definitely something to bear in mind when you are letting it dry. Here's what they look like up. I love them. Right, so these are brackets from IKEA. They're £4 each and they're such a bargain. So really happy with those. Also, I really hope they're going to distract from the boiler, from the smoke alarm which goes up there. Yeah, so hopefully we'll make more of a feature out of this little corner. And now it's time to get styling them. Tutorial and you found it helpful. Tag me on Instagram. I'm at @dove_cottage. I'd love to see if you make your own, and I'll see you next time.